oil and natural both traded bullish, but then oil specifically has reversed from my favorite 74 levels. It failed to sustain 74 and has shown a very good drop there and now trading close to 72. At the same time, natural gas is yet again on a bull run and it is trading about 2.3. But yes, remember it is still falling shy of 2.36, 2.4 levels, the next resistance is. So now what to expect in these two today, which position you should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch it. Also before leaving the video, do not forget to like the video. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude followed with nat gas. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts, what it is getting at 72.2, 72 is a very good resistance level, and hence above 72.2 you can buy for 72.5 levels, and beyond that possibly little more rise can be expected. If you look at the formation, it is giving you lower highs, it is giving you lower lows. Right now it is shying away from the lows. 71 is indeed a very good support. So we have discussed always 74, 73.8 my favorite levels, yet again proving out to be a good resistance here. Now on the downside, 71 is the major support, and hence in between these $3, first of all we have to remain extra cautious. That is one point I would like to make. Now if you look at direction moving averages, they have started to converge but have not crossed over. Till here it was trading with divergence, now have converged a bit. See, directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was trading oversold, now trying to recover. The MACD is trading bearish here and looking forward to converge, and see MACD has seen a very good drop here. Now possible wave formation. See, whenever it has seen lower lows, it has seen higher highs. Now we can see the third wave formation can be seen here. One has to remain observant. As the candle size is diminishing, it can cross over for a buy entry again. Its RSI has dropped, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, now on the 2-hour charts what we can see, couple of retracement candles and this bearish bias. So it is looking downwards as of now. Lower lows means 71.6, 71.5 levels, and till 71.4 and 71 we have got very good support. See, on the 2-hour chart 71.5 and 4 is a very good support, and then 71 ultimately is a good support. Right now also you can see two retracement candles, and this candle again is starting with the downtrend, possibly below 71.8 you can sell, expect 71.5 or 4, and then 71 levels as the major support. Directional movement converging here. Stochastic is oversold, it is looking forward to recovery. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is divergent, bearish, and this is happening after a long bull run, and hence it can continue a little with this bearish trend. RSI flat there, and on the 3-hour chart similarly you can find these are the resistance levels. And one thing what this drop has done is it has completely filled the gap here, which was very important, because filling the gap is what it would not like to leave this gap for long, and that is what it has done. It has filled the gap here. Now also see this, you can find there is support till 71.5, 71.6. you can see a symmetrical formation here, and that is where one has to remain watchful, cautious and alert. And above 72.2 definitely we can see 72.5, which is the first target, and then in fact it can try to fly again till towards 73 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold here on the 3-hour charts. The MACD has also taken a crossover, trading with little divergence and bearishness. RSI flat, and on the 4-hour you can see this on the 4-hour charts, moving averages crossing over. This is a 20 and 50 period crossover. This is a bullish indication, but it has still got a lot much of downside to cover here, and hence rather let's take a safe call and sell at 71.4 and buy at 72.2 levels. If you see it trading above 72.2, one has to remain watchful, cautious and alert till 72.5, 73, 73.8 and 74 levels. Till 74 do not consider this as bullish. Direction movement is buy. Stochastic is oversold. MACD looking forward to converge crossover for a sell, and this is happening at a slightly higher levels for oil. RSI flat. Now look at the daily chart. First of all, on the daily charts you can see this was the sideways formation here till 80, then this breakout gap up a slightly higher levels, and then this drop here. Now you can replicate the same formation here. It is trading in this box, and then this breakout and now it is again looking downwards. It has seen a very good pullback. This is the second consecutive red candle. This is the weak opening candle where we have seen the gap up. It has bridged the gap completely. Also, if you look at the moving averages are still trading bearish. Still all the three are stacked up beautifully. Till the time it crosses beyond 75, one should not consider this as a complete reversal. Now what is happening is it is given higher lows, it is looking for lower highs, and 7170 is definitely is going to prove out a major support. Directional movement crossing over for a sell. Stochastic has retraced. MACD has crossed over at bottom and it is looking with divergence. It is looking to cover a little on the upside. RSI flat here. So you can sell there at 71.4, but then 71 is a very good support, and below 71 then 70.2 levels will be seen as the next major support. Now see, this is the zone till 70. One has to remain watchful, and in fact on the upside 74 is the level where one has to get the maximum resistance. So in fact, yes, you can buy at 72.2, but then 72.5, 72.8, 73 levels first target, and then beyond that 73.8, 74 the next target zone. Now this is the zone which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the rise, and hence buying at 72.2 may bring you little profits, but one has to remain very cautious and alert till 74. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Buy at 72.2, sell at 71.4. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Natural gas once again rising naturally. That is what is beautiful to see, and I had always been telling in my weekly analysis, in my daily analysis, till it respects 2.06 levels, I will not consider net gas as bearish. Yes, it can try to retrace, it can try to drop, it can try to jump, but ultimately it is bullish, and that is what we can see here. 2.2 has been respected and we can see a good rise there, and right now it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel now are at around 2.4 levels, and hence beyond 2.4 only further bullishness is confirmed. If you look at the crossover, the moving average on the hourly charts have crossed over. This is a bullish sign for net gas. Now even if it tries to retrace, the support here is going to come at 2.28, 2.26. For the day, 2.26 is a very good support level. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has dropped. Now see, on the hourly charts, MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, and this is coming after a good bullish streak, and hence a little drop till 2.28 or 2.26 cannot be denied. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now on the 2-hour charts, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. It is still trading in this bullish channel. You can see the highs are at around 2.4 levels. Support is going to come at around 2.28 levels. Below 2.28, if you are taking a sell and trade 2.28, you can expect 2.26, very good support, and then 2.24. These three levels are very good support for net gas. Directional movement bullish, stochastic recovering here, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, and the RSI is almost flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now remember on the 3-hour charts, it has already breached the trend. You can see classical formation we had seen in net gas in this bearish run, and now it has recovered. It is trying to reverse. Also, this is the level 2.4 levels it needs to break past by, and hence beyond that we can expect it to hit 2.5, 2.6, and again more bullishness can be expected there. Moving averages have started to converge. These have not yet crossed over. Also, if you look at the 3-hour charts, now see, trading in this bearish channel or bullish channel, support is seen till towards 2.28, 2.26 levels. Directional movement divergent bullish, stochastic has dropped, MACD bullish, RSI flat. And on the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, see, this could be a reversal indication if it stays below 2.3 or 2.28 levels, below which you can expect 2.26, 2.24, very good support levels. Till then, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent in bullish, RSI flat. And on the daily charts, now look at on the daily chart, see, this is still on the retracement path. You can see the moving averages are still trading bearish. It has crossed over here, and this is the zone which I will expect it to break past by 2.4, 2.5 zone. Beyond that, sky is the limit for net gas, and right now it is getting a resistance at around these levels. At the same time, remember, this is the first bullish candle, body size greater than half the candle size. Possibly second candle may open bullish and it can try to break beyond 2.4 levels. Directional movement crossing over for a buy, stochastic is seen rising, MACD is bearish, looking forward to converge. RSI is also looking upwards now. Hence about 2.32 you can buy, but then 2.36 and 2.38, 2.4. These are the three levels. Rather, I will say till 2.4 levels, just put a 2 cents trading stop loss, that is 2.34 first target, 36, 38, 4. So 2.4, the major milestone which it needs to pass by. Till then, put a 2 cents trailing stop loss, nothing else, or put a stop loss at cost. You can buy here at 2.32. Selling at 2.28, you will get a maximum resistance till towards 2.24 levels. Till then, you have to put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. Below that, more bearishness can be seen, which might take it again till towards 2.2 to 2.2 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.